Hello everyone. This video is first tutorial of Arduino series. In this series, you will be learning all about programming Arduino. I know it's lockdown everywhere and some of you don't have Arduino board or electronic components to play with, but you still can learn Arduino. I'll tell you how. To work with Arduino, you need a Tinkercad account. Follow the following steps for creating an account. Open Google search bar, type Tinkercad, then click on the first link. Click on sign in. Sign in with your Google account. Choose your account. Click on skip button. Then click on continue. Tinkercad window will be appeared. Then scroll down, you will find one tab named circuit. Click on it. Then click on create new circuit. This is the interface of Tinkercad. Here you can find lot of things like some of the electronic components, sensors, modules and many more. As you can see, for writing code, there are three options. First one is block, second one is block plus text, and last one is text. In this video, we will be writing code, so we need to write the code in text editor. Before moving to circuit diagram and code, let us know about LED. LED stands for light emitting diode. A simple LED consists of two terminals. The shorter one is negative terminal and also known as cathode. The longer terminal is positive terminal, also known as anode. On the other hand, RGB LED has four terminals. One for red color, one for green color, one for blue color, and last one for either common cathode or common anode depending on the LED. As you can see in the diagram, that an RGB LED consists of three LEDs, red, green and blue, whose anode and cathode terminal is shorted depending on the LED whether it is common cathode or common anode. Now let us start designing a circuit diagram. Take an Arduino Uno board, place it anywhere, then take a small breadboard, then select RGB LED, place it on the breadboard. Now connect resistor to pin red, pin green and pin blue. Connect common cat terminal to the ground pin of Arduino. Connect register pin of green pin to pin D8 of Arduino, register of blue pin to pin D9 of Arduino, and register of red pin to D10 of Arduino. For our simplicity, we will change the color of wire depending on the color of LED. Now we move on to the code. Click on code, select text. First we will define all the Arduino pins for all the colors. Like I have given name red to pin 10, blue to pin 9 and green to pin 8. No need of defining the ground pin. Now move to void setup. Remember that void setup code runs only once. In the void setup, we will define whether we are using the Arduino pin for output or input. For glowing LED, we have to give some voltage to the pin. So we have to define all the pin as output. Now, we will write our code in void loop. Here we write our main code which needs to be run repeatedly as the void loop runs infinite time. All the pins that we are using are digital, so we have to use digital write function for sending the voltage to the pin. We will first glow red color, then we will give a delay of 1000 milliseconds. That means red color will be visible for 1 second. Then we turn off red, glow blue color, and again we will give a delay of 1000 milliseconds. Then we will glow green color and give a delay of 1000 milliseconds. Now we have written the code. Now let's move to simulation. Click on start simulation and done. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment. For more videos, you can join my YouTube channel named Electro Vigyan. The link is in the description.